Here's where you can go to choose the style of the battery indicator as well as show the battery percentage up in the status bar of your Xiaomi or Poco phone with Hyper OS 2. In order to find these settings, go ahead and use the quick access like this here. And with Hyper OS 2, you're going to look for the settings toggle, which is this one right there. Once you're in this section here, go down to the part that says notifications and status bar. Once you enter here now, you'll see these different options and you can go down to where it says battery indicator right there. As you tap on that, you'll be able to choose whether it's just going to be the battery icon, the one that has the percentage in the battery icon, or the percentage on the side. So I currently have this one here and it looks like this right there. So when I switch to this one here, it's going to look like this. And of course you have the one with the percentage on the side of it. And it's up to you to make this decision here. You can always come back and change these settings at any given time, like it said.